At Leaf, we're committed to empowering professionals like you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in auditing. As a valued member of our network, we wanted to remind you of the exciting opportunity to enhance your auditing skills through our specialized training sessions. Our comprehensive topics cover a wide range of areas relevant to auditing, including analytical review procedures, audit basics, audit completion, audit induction training for trainees, audit working paper content, auditing accounting estimates, group audits, internal controls, Part 1 and 2, IRBA Inspection Findings Report 2023, Quality Management Standards Overview, Service Organizations and much more. If any of these topics draws your interest or you're keen to expand your knowledge in auditing, simply hit reply to this email and let us know which sessions you'd like to register for. Our team will ensure you're enrolled in the sessions that align best with your goals. Invest in your professional development today and take your auditing skills to the next level with Leaf specialized training courses. Thank you for considering Leaf as your partner in professional growth. We're excited to support you on your journey to success.